What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and what we came to talk about here in today's video is POET. This thing is on fire. The last 2 days of trading has been phenomenal. If we take a brief look and check out those interval stats, it is up over 74%. And also, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to take a brief look at HOLO. As you all know, this thing has been under a lot of volatile swings here, and a lot of people is wondering, should you buy HOLO at these prices? Stick around, we're going to talk about it, but before we do so, welcome back to the Making Easy Money YouTube channel. Join along as we stroll down the road of financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's dive right in. First stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is POET. And if you were a part of our Discord, then you too did catch the alert in real time, which I alerted here for the entry price of $5.02 early this morning, with that price target being $5.20 plus. And as you guys can see here, the stock ran as high as $5.60 here on the trading day, and this thing does have more room to run on a swing trade situation. If we go back to our 4-hour chart here really quickly, and if you're still here with me, ladies and gentlemen, can you please leave a like on this video? It really does help the channel grow. In fact, it forces YouTube into recommending our videos to new viewers. So with the help of you guys, we can get this thing over 50K here pretty soon. Now, as you guys can see here, majority of these last few days of trading has been riding along that upper here, these last 6 days of trading. And if we go to our cheat sheet, as you guys can see here, this thing is currently severely overbought, huge early warning signals across the board. And if we do go to the 60-minute, as you guys can see here, the exact same thing. So buying at these prices currently does come with huge retracement risk. You also have to take into consideration the current market cap. It doesn't have a huge market cap, only 342 million. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, the retracement is going to be quick and vast. But I do feel as though that this stock has a very great chance to reach and breach those $6.80 levels here before we see a major turnaround. So if you're still holding POET, let me know in the comment section below. Today's run is stemming off of a major short cover wave from yesterday's trading. As you guys can see here, 1.15 million shares were sold short, and with today's trading day price action, those short positions carried over here for today's trading was more than likely in a forced short cover situation. So it's going to be very interesting today's short sell analysis that we get, due to the fact that today's volume is much higher than what we did see here on Monday. Total volume 13 million, so far 10.09 million, with a much higher share price, which can only attract more short positions. Next stock we're going to talk about here in today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is HOLO. And if you're currently holding HOLO, can you please comment the ticker in the comment section below. I want to see if we can get at least 20 of those. But looking here at our 4-hour chart, as you guys can see here, breaking through the mid Bollinger Band to the downside isn't good at all. But what we want to pay attention to is our 1-day chart. As you guys know, we did break as low as 20 cents. And I am here to tell you guys, it is a very great chance that we're going to drop below that. If you did catch my last HOLO video, I let everyone know that we are going to challenge this mid, and we did exactly that, but we got rejected. And what that means, ladies and gentlemen, we stand a very great chance to touch and challenge this lower before we see another bounce. Currently it sits here at 16 cents. I do feel as though that lower will be touched around between 19 and 20 cents. With that being said, HOLO is back heading back towards a bottom consolidating situation. If we look at our PCD and check out today's oversold, a massive number of holdings are trapped, forming a bottom consolidation like expected. Okay, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, buying at HOLO at these current prices is a total gamble. The only time that I would buy HOLO if I do see the momentum actually falling into that. And if you do want to learn my momentum trading strategy, I will have the video posted at the end of this one, ladies and gentlemen. So make sure you check that one out. It really does change the dynamics when it comes to momentum trading and day trading. It makes things much simpler. It lowers the risk and maximize the gains. So with no further ado, I'm going to let you guys go, and may the gains be with you.